It feels like in the last 6 months that ChatGPT kind of came out of nowhere and is disrupting the marketing industry. The thing is, while a lot of marketers fear it, some people are embracing it. ChatGPT can be so useful in automating your workflow. And one thing I found out is that using a mixture of ChatGPT and Zapier working together can really help with your copywriting. So say if you have a couple ideas for a Facebook ad headline or maybe an email subject line, and you want a faster way to input those subject lines and headlines into ChatGPT, well, what I put together is a Zapier Zap that all you have to do is add it into a spreadsheet, and then ChatGPT and Zapier will take care of the rest. So in this video, I'm going to be going over a Zapier and ChatGPT Zap, how I built it, and then down below, I'm actually going to have a link to that Zap so you can just use it right now. So if that sounds good to you, let's jump to my computer and I'll show you how I built it. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dane. My company's name is Rockstar Integrator. Of course, the channel's name is Mustangs in Marketing, and I've been doing marketing for the past 6 years. I've seen a lot of trends come and go, mainly with Facebook ads, but also with email marketing automation. I've worked with plenty of online businesses, and honestly, if you're looking to grow your online business through Facebook ads, through email marketing, through automation, make sure to subscribe down below, and also leave me a comment about other topics you'd like me to cover. So here's what I have for this Zapier Zap. So instead of just going to ChatGPT and having to ask ChatGPT to do something, in this case it's going to be rephrasing a question, I actually enter it into a spreadsheet row. It then makes a call to ChatGPT, and once it's done, it then adds it to another spreadsheet in the main spreadsheet. So here's a spreadsheet right here, and as you can tell, I've just been asking it some very basic questions, and we're going to do so right here. How to change car oil? Question mark. And of course, once I click out of that, that's when ChatGPT goes to work. Now, let's talk about the Zapier Zap in general. As you can tell right here, it's just simply looking for any new rows inside of this worksheet. It used to say sheet 1, now it says something a little bit different. But what it does, it goes over to ChatGPT, and it actually says, can you rephrase this? So I'm actually asking ChatGPT just to rephrase the question I put into there. Once it does, and of course here's all the stuff to copy out, it just simply adds the rephrased question into the next side. So let's see if it's already done. Let's see if it's already finished this up. And as we can see here, what is the process of changing the oil in a car? So let's do a deep dive and go through what each one of these Zapier Zaps look like. So right here, it's new spreadsheet row. So pretty much it's looking for, very annoying, this keeps on switching around. Continue. Pretty much what it's doing is it's looking for a new spreadsheet row, and we're looking for this column right here. And of course now with ChatGPT we're looking for conversation. And what we're doing is we're pretty much pulling in this phrase right here from the first step. We're saying here's the message. All this stuff is up to you. Can you rephrase this? That's what I'm actually asking. Continue. And of course then you'd retest the action, make sure it sends it through. Once it does have it, see, as you can tell there, what are the steps of rephrasing it? We go to create a new spreadsheet row on the next sheet, and then we want to go ahead and make sure we select the updated information, which is right here, assistant response. And of course you can test from there. That's how we get it from going from one end of the spreadsheet through ChatGPT to the next. And of course, if you want this app, I'm going to have it down below. If you're watching this, you've actually watched the whole video, and for that, I thank you, because everyone knows that YouTube watch rates, well, when it comes to how-to videos like this, they tend to drop right around here. But you know, if you liked this video, you found it helpful, if you could do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe down below. Now, if you also want to check out my blog, I have a link to my website down below, rockstarintegrator.com. That's where you can find a way to contact me if you have some questions, you need a consultation about your project coming up. And as always, if there's any other questions you have, leave a comment down below. Leave a comment of something that you might have learned from this video, or heck, even something you want me to cover moving forward. So feel free to check out my website, subscribe to the channel, and even subscribe to the email newsletter. Hint, hint, wink, wink. And I will see you again next time.